recycle solar panels that have reached their end of life. And this is critical in the next phase of solar to make it more sustainable and scalable by taking the raw materials that went into making the old solar panels, getting those materials out to make the next generation of newer and better and higher efficiency solar panels. So a solar panel has a lot of critical elements in it, such as glass, aluminum, silver, copper, silicon. These things, if they're recycled properly, can be reused again. So rather than mining that from the ground, we can mine these from old solar panels. And these materials can be put back into making the next generation of solar panels, because since old panels use glass and silicon, new panels also use those same materials. And by extracting that in our recycling process, we can put those back and make new solar panels and make the industry more scalable and also more sustainable in the process. This creates multiple downstream positive benefits for the industry and for the economy at large, because now we are creating jobs in the recycling plants. We're creating net environmental benefits by doing this and creating a whole supply chain and ecosystem that can use these materials and process them. So for example, aluminum frames, which are a key part of solar panels and a key part of the next generation of solar panels, by recycling them, we can make new aluminum frames that use 95% less energy than by virgin mining bauxite to make those aluminum frames. Another important thing, in addition to the actual recycling, is to track what we are doing. So we track all the data and metrics. What are the impacts of the recycling process? What's the landfill avoided? What's the greenhouse gas benefits? And we track all that through the models that we've built, and then we share those so they can then monitor their environmental footprint and see how they can continue to improve it and how our partnership can improve that together. The beautiful thing about recycling is even just recycling one panel has a net positive benefit. However, we do need scale to achieve those economies of scale, to bring the best practices, to bring the equipment and the technology to a place where it's cost effective.